Peaceful Living Homes brings you a breathtaking fusion of nature and design. Imagine waking up to the sound of cascading water as your home is literally built behind a waterfall. These architectural masterpieces redefine what it means to live in harmony with nature. From glass walls veiled in mist to living rooms with a waterfall view, this is where serenity and design unite in ways you've never imagined. These aren't just homes. They're living, breathing parts of nature. Perched behind rushing waterfalls or carved into cliffs, every space is a testament to the perfect blend of raw wilderness and modern luxury. If you've ever dreamed of living within nature without sacrificing comfort, these homes will take your breath away. From jungle hideaways to mountain retreats, these waterfall homes push the boundaries of architecture, using natural rock, sustainable materials, and panoramic windows. Each home is a peaceful escape, completely immersed in nature. Water isn't just nearby, it's part of the design. Hidden behind the flowing curtain of water, some of these homes remain secret from the world. Until now. You'll discover luxury interiors nestled within caves, sun-drenched terraces overlooking endless mist, and eco-homes built entirely into waterfall cliffs. Welcome to nature's secret masterpiece. The magic begins where the water touches the walls. Whether it's a tropical paradise or a mountain gorge, these homes integrate the natural rhythm of falling water into their very soul. Designed to be one with the earth, they offer unmatched tranquility and views you'll never forget. Who needs a swimming pool when your home has its own private waterfall? These extraordinary homes don't just sit near nature, they live in it. Watch how designers have sculpted architecture into cliffs, letting water and light dance through their open spaces. It's more than a home. It's a sanctuary where sound, stone, and water create the ultimate peaceful atmosphere. These waterfall homes are not just rare, they're unreal. Let the gentle roar of water and the brilliance of architecture guide you into a new kind of dream home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.